Hello guys, welcome to KNY Tech channel. Today in this video we will learn how to install the Flutter in our laptop or desktop. Let's see. Go to Google Chrome and type in the Flutter in the search bar, and first link click. It is the official site for flutter.dev. Just click on that, and this is the beautiful site for Flutter. Let's see here, documentation section and community. Here is the beautiful site. It designed for Android apps, and a single code base. Here is you get start the documentation. Let's see here. It is fast development and expressive, flexible UI, native performance. And here is the some simple apps like spinning Flutter, Fibonacci series, counter, like that. Let's see spinning Flutter. It is the code for spinning Flutter. Just run. It is the online compiler. Just run it. Here is the output will come. No issues. Just run. Here is the output. Just click me. It will spin. This is for code to for output. This is for code. Let's see in further videos how to write this code. Let's see another example like Fibonacci series. Just run it. Here is the like that it will come 1 2 3 4 like that. Fibonacci series will come. This is for code to for Fibonacci series, and this is for counter app. This is for code for counter. It will increase the when pressing the button, it will increase the number like that. Let's see in further videos how to write this code. Just go. This is the online compiler. Try a code lab. There Flutter is recently launched the code labs. We can learn more about in the code labs. Just try in that. Let's see how to install Flutter. Here is the install Flutter. Just go to down the site. Just get started. Click on that. Here is the we are using the Windows, Mac or Linux. You can select whichever OS you are using. Yes, I am using Windows, so that I am clicking on the Windows section. Just click on that. Here is the instructions to install the Flutter in your laptop or desktop. Just go through it. Let start the first step. Get the Flutter SDK. Here is the first step. Get the Flutter SDK. Just click on that. Flutter SDK will come. Zip file will download it. Just put it on the C drive. Just put it on C drive and save it. I have some problem. You can put in the C drive and save it any folder like that. It will downloading. I have already downloaded. I have no more data, so that I am cancelling this. You can download full later. That after you can see next step. After you can put the path, update the path. When go to the environmental variables, just go to the here search bar in our laptop and type the environmental variables. Here is the environmental variables. Just click on that. First go to the where your Flutter where your Flutter SDK, it is a zip file. You can unzip the that file and later just open the um, Flutter Flutter folder and open that. Just open the bin folder and later this copy the path, Control C, and go to the environmental section. Here the advanced settings, just click on that and later add environmental variables. Here is the environmental, click on that. Here is the path, just click on that 2 times. It will open one window and here is the path, so many like Java and machine learning and so many is there in my laptop. Just click new and copy here path Flutter bin and later done, OK and OK. Like that you want to do in your laptop. After that, what is the next step? Updated path is over and SDK downloaded is over. Next, you want to run the Flutter Doctor in your terminal. Go to the terminal in your laptop. Type the terminal command prompt. Terminal means command prompt selection. Go to the command prompt and type the Flutter Doctor. Flutter DOCTOR Doctor. Just click enter. It will run. Whenever you are running this, you can connect the Wi-Fi or mobile data to the laptop. It will collect the data and run the program. Here is the new version of Flutter available. Here is, after that it will run. Whichever you want to do, like that. Four ticks will come, 4 or 5, I don't know. Let's see. It will take some time. Yes, I have already downloaded all. I have no problems. After that, we want to come like this. Then only you can run the Flutter app in your laptop. You can create Flutter app in your laptop. Let's see how to do it. Flutter installation is over and now Android toolchain. We want to download the Android Studio. So that, let's see here. Here is the same. Next step, Android setup. Just go to the Google and type the Android Studio. Here is the, go to the first link. Here is the downloading for Android Studio. Just click Android Studio. Download for Windows. Download for Android Studio. Just click download Android Studio. Just click in this and download for Windows. I have already downloaded and install that in your laptop. And next step, what we'll do, or else you will download from here only. Just click in this and go to that page, download the Android Studio. Let's set up the Android device. Means your phone will connect or else you will create an emulator. I will not suggest to the emulator, means it will stuck your computer or laptop. I will suggest your mobile phone to debug your code. It will live coding and predictable and fast, so that you can use your mobile phone to debug your code. That's enough. Later, which editor you want to use for code. So many are using for Flutter Under Studio. I am not suggesting Under Studio, but it will Flutter is suggesting the Under Studio only. I will suggest the setup and editor. Just click on that. Here is the Under Studio and Visual Studio. Two types will be there. Yes, Android IntelliJ. There are so many editors. Whichever you like editor, you can install. I will suggest Visual Studio Code. Just click on that. Just download the Visual Studio Code. Click, go to the search bar and type the Visual Studio Code. Just click on the Visual Studio Code. Download for Windows. Just click in this and, and install in our laptop and open now Visual Studio Code. I have already downloaded, so that I am opening now Visual Studio Code. Just go through that. See, here opening Visual Studio. This is the Visual Studio Code. We will teach one video how to what is the Visual Studio Code and what is the some basic steps to run the code and write the code like that. I will teach one video. Let's see for Flutter what we do here. Just go to the here search bar, not search bar, sorry. Go to here extensions. Here type the Flutter. I will suggest you should connect the Wi-Fi or mobile net. Definitely you can install. Here Flutter will come, and here I already downloaded. I am installed in the Flutter, so that I am here not available for install. You can show like here install like this. Install will come, so you can install for Flutter, download it and save it. That's enough. Let's see the dot. Dot is the language for Flutter. Dot is automatically installed for Flutter, so that you don't need to install. That's enough here. Here I forgot to say that you need to put the Visual Studio Code bin path also in the environmental variables. Let's see how to put it there. Just go to the file manager, open that. Just open the C drive. Just go to the users and go to the Dell. Here is the one app data will come. Open that and just go to the Google. Just go to the local folder, and next we need to go programs. Open that. Here is the Microsoft VS Code will come. Just open that and open that bin folder. Just copy this path, Ctrl C, and go to the environmental variable sections. Open that. Just click the path 2 times. I have already pasted in here. You can also just click new and paste it here. That's enough. Next we need to go Under Studio. Here is the after that installation on the studio, it opens like this, and just go to here configure, and here is the plugins will come. Just go to that. You need to connect the internet. Just type here search bar Flutter. I have already installed Flutter. You can type here Flutter, it will come. I have net problem, so here it will come like this. Just here install button will come. Just install it and type the dot, and dot also you can install. That's it. And okay, that will ask um, restart for Android Studio. Just click on that, and later it will come like this. After that, installing plugins in our Android Studio, just go to the command prompt. After that, just type another time Flutter Doctor. It will come like this. Whenever you come all green ticks, that time only you can run the Flutter app in our, you can create Flutter app in your laptop. So here Flutter will install. I have done the Flutter SDK, and next Android toolchain it will come error. Whatever they will show, whatever it will show on like Android toolchain licenses, just type in command prompt and press yes for 5 times. It will ask why, yes or no, yes or no. Just type yes. Just give the permissions for Android Studio Android toolchain licenses. Then it will go to the green tick, and it is not perfect. And just go to the Visual Studio. I have installed the Visual Studio, and install the Flutter plugin in Visual Studio, and done. We done. And Android Studio we are installed, and Visual Studio also we are installed. Here no connected devices. I have connected 3 devices. I have, but you have no connected device means you have to connect the mobile. You can debug your code. Here is the green ticks will come. Let's see the Flutter. Here is the complete Flutter installation in our desktop. That's enough. It is the start new Flutter in your project. Just click on that. Here is the Flutter application. Just click on that. Just click next. Here we want to give the Flutter SDK path. Just click on that. Go to the where your Flutter SDK given in C drive, and here is the Flutter. Here is the bin. Just click on that. Okay, it will take, and click on the finish button. I have some problem. You can create. Click finish. It will come for Flutter project. I will not suggest the Android Studio. I will suggest the Visual Studio Code. So you can go through in next video how to start the first Flutter app, how to create first Flutter app and run in your mobile device. I will tell in next video. Thank you for watching this video.